Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of what I picked up from Live Love Posh, and this haul is actually influenced by Cassandra because she knows that I am on a fitness journey, and she was kind enough to let me know that Live Love Posh recently released a fitness sticker book. So I immediately went over to the website and I had to get that fitness sticker book, and then I picked up a few other goodies. So thank you for the heads up, Cassandra. I cannot wait to see everything that's in here. So it's nicely packaged. I did also pick up this cover. So let me actually put it to the side and then let's get in here. So let's see what I ended up picking up. So a little thank you card, and then we have Floral Fitness, and that's exactly like why I picked up this sticker book, because as soon as I saw the name, I was immediately sold. I didn't need to see a flip through or pictures or anything like that. I was automatically sold on it. So I have Floral Fitness, Plant Babe, Crafty Planner, and Posh Fall. So I actually want to take a look at Floral Fitness because that's actually why I even got this little haul. And I just saw that we have the little title over here on the spine as well. Okay, that is going to be so very helpful. Okay, so we have Floral Fitness. Let's see. Ooh, look at these girls. Oh, I love their little workout gear and the little color scheme as well. Okay, so we have two of those, and these are paper stickers. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, I love the color scheme on this one as well. Anything pink, you guys already know, is going to be my favorite. Okay, so we have hydrate, way day, steps, cardio, gym, and yoga. So nice little icons. Those are going to be perfect. So I love that she gives you two of them. Oh, and look at these florals. They're going to match so well with all of these. Look at that. Everything like layered. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed and I am ready to just plan all of the things. So two of those florals. Oh, look at this one. I love the colors on this one. Hello, beautiful. The mermaid with muscles. Oh, this is perfect. Two of these. And then, okay, so we have hydrate, cardio, steps, workout, gym, and meal prep. Definitely love that we get 2 pages. Okay, so we have this one. Look at the beautiful color scheme. Okay, I can tell that I'm already going to be obsessed with all of these color scheme. So far, they have been so beautiful. So these girls look like they're stretching out, which is very important. So 2 of these. Oh, look at this one. I love how like bright this color scheme is. Love the green with the teal with the purple. Very, very cute. The gym bag with the boxing gloves. Oh, I'm obsessed. And then look at her as well. More of these florals. And then 2 of those. So again, hydrate, workout, steps, cardio, weights, meal prep, and then not today. Because we need to remind ourselves that we need to take rest days, right? Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, the machine even has like florals already on there. Look at this whole little situation over here. This is all one sticker. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. So 2 of those. Okay, so then we have some more girls here. Look at this like little situation here. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. The machine has freaking florals. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so then we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then this one even has like snacks. So if you just want to use the first letter of each word, we have that here. Then groceries and vitamins down here. Perfect, 2 of those. And what is this? Stretch it out. 6-week kickstart challenge. Okay, so like week 1, you would do jumping jacks for 1 minute, squats 10 reps, push-ups 10 reps, crunches 10 reps, plank 10 seconds, high knees 1 minute, lunges 10 reps, and chair dips 10 reps. And it's going to increase as the weeks go by. Oh, okay, so I like this because I am currently doing a 30-day challenge in my monthly view in my fitness planner. So this is interesting. I like that. And then we have, let's see, arms, bust, waist, hips, thighs, weight. Oh, for like measurements, right? Okay, yeah, measurements right here. And then before and after pictures. And then, oh, some quotes. Don't wish for it, work for it, never give up. Excuses don't burn calories. Oh man, do I wish they did though. Make yourself a priority. Okay, these are going to be perfect. I do it for the tacos. That is so funny. Straight out of shape. Gym now, tacos later. Okay, I like the whole tacos situation. Tacos are just so good. If only sarcasm burned calories. Oh my gosh. I so wish that would be the case. I would have burned so many calories already. Okay, so then we have plant babes. So I'm officially a plant mom, so I thought that these would be perfect. I love the whole theme and colors in this one. Like boho, right? These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one, how it's already cut. You don't have to cut it. Look at the guitar with florals. Doesn't florals just make everything that much prettier? I am obsessed with florals. Look at how calm this color scheme is. I love this. And I love how she gives us like a whole scene situation. So like the living room, the dresser, the bedroom with the bed, the chair. That is very, very pretty. So 2 of those. Then we have more plants because why not? So let's see. Ooh, look at this one. Pink and purple's very, very pretty. I cannot wait to start using these sticker books. They are getting stuck. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. Just like iPads and washies and pens and your planner and florals and paper clips and just all of the things. This is such a pretty, like, soft color scheme. I really love that. Oh, this is so pretty too. Oh, wow. These are gorgeous. And look at this. I love those heels, the camera. Okay, everything is so pretty. I'm so sorry if I keep saying pretty, but it really, really is. Oh, everything is just so gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. She's actually watering the plants. Grow a happy life, plant lady. And look at this scene right here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look at this. Make your own jungle. Plant dreams. Very, very beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Look at that bathtub. Oh gosh, I love all of this. Just so calm and peaceful. And that is exactly what she's doing right there. Very, very pretty. I love how like the plants are already on a plant stand. That is very, just so perfect. And look at this. Look at this palm tree. It has florals. And look at this. Wow. I am beyond speechless. Everything is just so well coordinated. It is just absolutely stunning. Oh, look at these quotes. Plants are my therapy. Live, love, grow. Succulents and sunshine. Plantaholic. Grow loves here. Okay, and those are the exact same ones. Oh my goodness. This is such a beautiful sticker book. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Crafty Planner. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Look at these vibrant colors. Oh, everything is just so perfect. Look at the highlighter. Look at this whole situation here. Your Cricut, your shelves, your desk, everything. Oh my gosh, look at the donuts. So cute. This is my happy place. Look at those planners there. The little cart. So many planners and florals and just all of the things. Wow. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is very pretty. Oh, I think this one would look great like in a blackout spread. I think that would look really nice. I've seen some blackout spreads on Instagram and they're just so beautiful. So this kind of reminded me of that. I think the colors would really pop in a black background. Don't you guys think? I think so. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this right here. And the little bag, like a tote planner bag. That's cute. Very, very cute. I love the stack of books. Look at that Starbucks. The scissors, the florals, the everything. It is just so very well done. So we have like an orange and pink color scheme here. Everything is just so pretty. Look at this. Isn't this like the little cup from Target? I think I've seen a few planner babes have that. Oh, look, here it is. It is so cute. Boss Lady, your cameo, your planner, all of the things. Oh my gosh. Here we go. These are just so cute. Everything about this sticker book is like on point. It is just so perfect and truly really sums up crafting and planning and everything. This color scheme right here, it is gorgeous. So like peach and gold with hints of black. And I think maybe even marble. Oh gosh. Super obsessed. Look at this. So pretty. Look at the detail on her hair too. These are beautiful, beautiful pictures. Look at this one. I love the teal with the pink, the cart, the washi tape, planner, stickers, washi, and pens. Everything checked off. Ooh, look at these quotes. Planner boss, live, love, craft, craftologist. My craft room is my happy place. A crafty life is a happy life. And then, welcome to my craft room. No, you can't use my scissors. Plan for it, list maker. Yep, that's me right here. Crafting is my therapy, caffeine, and crafting. Handmade with love. Oh, this is so pretty. Though all of the quotes have been so perfect, and I love that she does include quotes. Okay, so then we have Posh Fall. Okay, I can't wait to see these. Ooh, and I think these are clear stickers. So far, those 3 sticker books were paper stickers, no clear stickers whatsoever. So it looks like these are clear. Look at this page. Very, very pretty with like the orange and browns and burgundies. I like these little wreaths, the boots with the florals. Okay, so then we have these. Love how the orange pops on this one. Oh, look at this one. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect for fall, right? And then we have these. These may be a little too bright for my liking, but they are cute. Ooh, look at this one. I love this color. It really, really pops. That pumpkin is adorable. Oh, look at this. Look at that dress, like it's dripping or something. Oh, I love this. Oh, the spider right here. The black feathers. Oh, I am obsessed with this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at this green. It really pops. I love this. Oh my gosh. Get ready for all of the Halloween spreads with that one. These are nice and cute. Ooh, these are pretty. This one reminds me of the Denver Broncos, which is where I'm at. I'm in Colorado, so that is my team, and they do orange and blue. Oh, these are cute. The orange and the purple, so pretty. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I could definitely see myself using this for like November. That's very pretty. These are so cute too. Oh, like frames, right? Yeah, I think that's what they are. I love this whole little thing. It is so long and so cute. Look at that. We definitely get spoiled. Here we are with these ones. A little too bright for my liking, but they are pretty. Then we have this one. Oh my gosh. Everything is just so pretty. I am obsessed with all of these. Okay, so then I also picked up this cover because pink, right? It is, I cannot be without my pink. So let's see. Oh, look at this texture. I have a thing about textures, but it's not too bad. And I thought that it was going to be stiffer, but I actually like that it's not. I'm interested to add this to my planner because, as you know, I am currently using this black cover with the black discs. So maybe after October, I can do like a little planner refresh and maybe change the cover and the discs as well. Maybe I could do some clear ones with this one. That would look so pretty. And then we have Love Posh in gold here. Okay, this is so pretty. I'm excited to do this little planner update refresh with this cover. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I am truly obsessed with everything that I got. I am literally blown away. Everything is just so beautiful and just well done. I will leave their shop down in the description box below. I don't have a code, so just make sure that you guys are following them on Instagram. And I know a few of the planner babes in the community do have a discount code, so if I can find one, I'll go ahead and link it down below as well. That way you guys can save some money on your order just like I did. But I am obsessed with everything that I got, and I cannot wait to use all of these beautiful stickers. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.